Hey everyone, what's going on? I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys a pretty cool resource I found that lets you get hard copy physical company annual reports for free. So there's a website that I'll link down in the description. It's prars.com, and they act like a public registry of sorts. And they have a ton of company annual reports on their website. So it's super simple. All you do is just go through, choose the ones you want, put in your address, and then they'll send them to your house for free. And I actually just did this last week, and they sent me a box. So here, I'll show you. Sent me a pretty good amount of them right here. So they sent me around 20 or so of these annual reports. I'll show you a couple of what they look like. So we have Wendy's, Moody's. What else do we have? We got Amazon here. So a pretty good selection of companies on this website. Any of the big companies that are in the S&P or the Dow are most likely going to be on here. And so I think this is a great resource. If you're like me, personally, I hate reading things on a computer. I'd much rather have a hard copy, real paper to read on. And there are a number of studies that show that your reading comprehension is higher on physical paper than looking at a computer screen. And this is one of the easiest ways I've found that lets you get these hard copy annual reports for free. They were delivered pretty fast too. I think they came here just a couple of days after I ordered them. So definitely no complaints. Now the only thing is, for a lot of smaller companies, even some larger companies, they're not going to have the physical annual reports. And so I've run into this a couple of times, but I still want a hard copy of their annual report. So in that case, even if it's not on this website, what you can do is you can go to the company's investor relations page. It's super simple. You just Google the company name and then put investor relations. It'll pop up on Google, and on that page, they're going to have an email for their investor relations department. And so if you want a hard copy of that company's annual report, all you have to do is send them a simple email and say, hi, I'm so-and-so. I'm a potential investor in your company, and I want to learn more about what you do, and I'm requesting a hard copy of your annual report. And from my experience, 4 out of 5 times, they'll send it to you, no problem. So again, another way to get some of these, even if they're not on this website. Now, even though annual reports may seem boring, they are a great way to learn more about a company and industry, and really just to become a better investor in general. I think it was Warren Buffett that said, if you want to become a better investor, read hundreds of pages like this every day, and that knowledge will compound. And I also made a video on how I like to go through these annual reports. I think a big mistake a lot of people make is trying to read through them like a book from front to back. So I'll put a card up to that video somewhere up on the screen right now, where I talk about a framework I look to use to efficiently go through these annual reports, because a lot of it is pretty dry and repetitive. So check out that video if you want to see how I like to go through these in an efficient as a way as possible. So that's it for this video. Just want to give you a heads up on this resource that I found. I haven't seen anyone else talking about it. I sort of just stumbled upon it myself, and so I figured I would share it with you guys. If you think you're going to take advantage of this resource, leave a like on this video. It helps my channel a ton, and be sure to share this video with anyone else you think would find this video useful. So that's all I really wanted to show you for this video. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you on the next one.